Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to the Surron Ultra B test ride, first ride, range test. We're gonna see what's up with this. The bike is currently at 100%, so I got a full charge. We're gonna go take it into the trails and see how she does. I'm running in sport mode right now with the medium throttle response. That's sport mode, so torque. Yeah, she's running pretty good. Feels good in sport mode. I think sport mode throttle sensitivity 2 is kind of the sweet spot. It allows you to still get that nice power delivery when you need to get the front wheel up, but it's not too crazy in the technical stuff where you're just gonna loop it. Definitely got to change out these grips ASAP. These are way too narrow. Your hands get super fatigued really quick because you're grabbing onto such a small bar grip. There's some hard enduro lines coming up. Not too bad. I'll say that's pretty closed. I don't feel like getting my boots wet today. We'll go back the way we came. Alright, we need to get up to that hill all the way up there, because I don't know what trail I'm on. And I could take this all the way back and rehook up with it at the beginning, but I don't know, I'd rather just try to get up this hill. We'll see if that was a smart decision. I should be able to just hit this. Oh, nope. Almost. That was just poor skill on my part. That had nothing to do with the bike. Hope that's just my handguard, not my lever. Oh, my lever still seems to be there. Do we hit the kill switch? Yeah, we're good. Alright. Alright, I think we can start from here again. That's probably what messed me up right there. And my lack of skill. I think she'll go. Alright, come on, Surron. Hit it. We're almost there. You know, I put these MX-34s on. They're basically motocross tires. They don't do too well in this stuff. Oh. Huh. Almost. Alright, once again, kill switch off. Then pick it up. Little pro tip too, with your levers, loosen these perch bolts. Allow them to rotate. See how they rotate? So if you do fall, you're not running hand guards, you can at least potentially save your levers. And most importantly, you save your clutch master, or I keep saying clutch. You save your brake master. Oh, we made it to the top, third hill, elevation 526 feet. All right, this bike can mountain climb a 500-foot hill. That's not too bad. I'm currently at 6 miles and I'm down to 71%. I've been running this bike in sport mode the whole time. I'm not sure if, you know, this is good or bad for sport mode, but I mean, I'm pretty impressed. I mean, I've been out for probably almost an hour now and I still have 70% charge. I mean, how long are we really riding it? All right, let's find this downhill line and go check it out. Let me put my goggles on. We're going too fast to not have goggles on. I almost just lost my eye on that branch. Whoa! Oh, that would have been fun. There's no grip on that. Oh. Ooh, narrow. Let's see how sketchy it is going up it. See if I remember which line I said to take. This ain't the line, but I'm gonna take that cruise from the rock. Not bad. I think we at least need to try it. I don't know how it's gonna go, but you can only try. Solved. Yeah, it's not too bad. Anybody else bike make that noise? Sounds like the motor is making a funny noise. Alright, if I drop into this, I need to commit. This bike has plenty of power for trail riding. It has plenty. This trail is called Incline. Let's see how much incline there is. Alright, so that's some incline. There we go. Come on, Surron. The bike absolutely could have made that up. That was my riding skill right there. And my indecision of where the trail went. I did the third hill. Now we're on to the second hill. Alright, this is definitely an incline. Pick our lines right. Let the bike do the rest. Whew. I was gonna slide on that one. This is sick up in here. That'll be a sick drop right there. Although I don't think this suspension can handle it. Isn't that bad? Thank you.